People say there are haunting ghost stories inside this library. Boats there, and the second Hooghly Bridge looks stunning. I'm not seeing any Pav Bhaji shop open right now. So the first episode of Pav Bhaji vlog is a big fail. क्या भाई, पाव भाजी खाने के लिए दुकानदार को ढूंढ ढूंढ के लाना पड़ा. Oh my god. Looks delicious. Hey guys, what's going on? So today it's a beautiful Sunday morning, and I kind of lazy also. So I thought, why not put a Pav Bhaji vlog? So today is the first episode of Pav Bhaji vlog. I mean Pav Bhaji ride, not a Pav Bhaji vlog.
Achha.
It's a Sunday Pav Bhaji ride, first episode. And actually I was testing my new mic, the Samsung AKG, and then suddenly I felt very hungry. So I thought, why not go outside and have some Pav Bhaji?
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर,
Oh.
क्या बात है, ये बात.
And suddenly also this idea came that I should why not to make a video and also test my new mic. So ek tir do nishana, that's what I'm doing
मणिबंधम
right now.
बहिर्मुखम.
The roads are pretty bad. It's a fucked up conditions. All the road conditions are literally fucked up in in my city,
गाली देना किसी
Kolkata.
को बहुत आसान है सर.
So here and there bad patches and lots of speed breakers. So it's not a rider friendly road right now in Kolkata, everywhere. So anyway, so we're going to a very beautiful place in Kolkata. It's called James Princip Ghat. Actually, it's a place beside our Ganga river. Previously I have gone there, and 2 or 3 times I've taken Pav Bhaji.
Speak in English.
So this is the National Library. This is the largest library in India, and it's very old. And people say there are haunting ghost stories inside this library. And in my left, you can see this place. This is a campus of the largest zoo in India, the Alipur Zoo. So this is a very prime location. I don't know why there are road conditions are left like this. And this is also a highway. I mean, it won't look like a highway, but it's by pen or paper. It's by pen on paper. It's this is the entrance to the zoo. It's by pen on paper, and it's a highway. We'll take left from here. So yesterday I bought a toolkit also from online, and I was just testing it and learning it, handling the tools, how to use them.
क्या सर्विस हो जाएगी?
So I opened my handguards and installed this bar end mirror. This is an old mirror. It's a basic bar end mirror, and I will do some customization on the colors later, because right now if I put a silver color here, so this thing will look gorgeous. I mean, somewhere a small design with a silver color in this mirror in front, in the back actually, not front, in the back, so it will look gorgeous with my bike. So right now 80 kilometers per hour. I don't know how the audio is coming.
अबे साले
I have set the gain level to -3 before before starting the ride. I was testing by wearing the helmet in my room. So why I am waiting, I don't know. The signal is up. My mind was thinking something else. So the weather is very nice today, and it's a very pleasant weather. What happened? Oh my god. So I think, oh my god, first ride with Gorilla. It's very difficult, it's not easy. She should learn with some less power bike first. Now we have arrived the location. So let's park my bike somewhere here, and let's see if any shops are opened or not. So this is the James Principe Ghat area, and this is our river Ganga. You can see the boats there, and the second Hooghly Bridge looks stunning from here. So it's a beautiful experience in morning, and also in Sunday morning it feels more beautiful because we don't have any work today. I mean,
साले सवेरे सवेरे मनुष्य लोगों की मनुष्य शक्ल देख
I mean our job, or I mean office. It's a very pleasant place. This is a chai shop. I'm not seeing any pav bhaji shop open right now. So let's find out if there's any shops are open. I don't know why they are not opened, because previously right now I think time is 6:35, and I don't know what's wrong with today. So there are no pav bhaji stalls are open. Oh my god, I think I have to drink chai, and I have to go back to home and have some bread and omelette. So the first episode of Pav Bhaji vlog is a big fail. So luckily there is one shop which is opening. I don't know where the shop owner has gone. So let's find out where he is. Yeah भाई, पाव भाजी खाने के लिए दुकानदार को ढूंढ के लाना पड़ा. Oh my god. ये আপনার দোকান? পাও ভাজি খাবো. হ্যাঁ হবে? আলাম তো দোকানদারও ঘুমাচ্ছে আজ. হ্যাঁ ওকে. So it's the good news, we'll have our pav bhaji. So there is a guy sleeping over there. I thought he is the shopkeeper, or he is the shop owner, but no, he is the man. He is my man today.
सुबह सुबह भेंचो दो तुम लोग 2 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा ऑन करके चुत्तड़.
So here is the pav bhaji.
दोस्तों ये है पाव भाजी, आप लोगों ने कभी देखी नहीं होगी, खाई भी नहीं होगी।
Crazy, man. It looks crazy. So, without any further delay, let's eat it. So, the food was awesome. I mean, that pav bhaji was brilliant. So in December, might be, I came here in a Sunday morning, and that time there was a lot of winter. That time all the stores were open, so that time I had taken from a different store, and that was better than today's because उसने पाव भाजी में काजू किशमिश ये सब मिलाया था, तो वो खाने में बढ़िया लगा था। मतलब तो आज वाला अच्छा था, मतलब टेस्टी था, जैसा नॉर्मल होता है वैसा ही था।
बहुत नीच आदमी रहे।
लेकिन उसमें एक अलग ही बात था, जो लास्ट दिसंबर में जो खाए थे ना इधर आके, दैट वाज ऑसम। सो द सनलाइट इज नॉट up to that level, but right now it's 7:30. It's just it's feeling very low level of sunlight right now, and it feels good. तो आज थोड़ा लगता है धूप उतना तेज नहीं है। The roads are mind freaking very bad. In this pump you will get speed 97. So I had used once. It was not that differentiator, I mean. So I don't feel any difference with that. And now I use speed 95.
जलवा है हमारा।
Oh my god! These potholes, these manholes. Oh my goodness. Someday my neck will be broken because of Kolkata roads. Let's take the left. So anyway, the vlog is over. Now I have almost reached home. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you had fun watching it. And the next Pav Bhaji vlog will be up very soon. Oh my god, these roads.
मेरा ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन जरूर दबाइएगा।
बस